Okay, so this is what I'm working with. Okay, I don't know how to angle this. It's like my braids look neon orange, but like very faded. And so, yeah. So I made this concoction of sulfur 8, right? Dishwasher soap and baking soda. And it's one of those like home remedies that people use when it comes to like removing the dye out their hair. So I did it the first time like a good couple of weeks ago. And so it only got this light. What usually happens is like the moment you add bleach to the roots, which I'm gonna do, it becomes blonde again. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. So in my NJROTC t-shirt, I washed my hair, and now I'm gonna just, apply the paste to my hair directly using sections. This is all of my hair. Did I lose a lot? Probably, but I had my hair in like braids for like a good couple of weeks. So I felt like it was expected, but like, yeah, we're gonna do this. So hi, I put the paste in my hair. I'm gonna let it sit for like 20 minutes. And then after that, I'm gonna rinse it. Then I'm gonna make my developer mixture with the bleach. And from there, I'm gonna show y'all how I'm gonna dye my hair the rainbow. Okay, hi people. Now I'm finally taking my hair out of this bun. I was trying to set up everything, but like stuff want to be weird. So this is how my hair look. On camera it looks very blonde, but in person it looks very orangey. But that is the lightest I got it. Some of the roots still have orange tinge to it, but the roots are like bleached, obvi. So right now I'm going to spray my hair because like it's hard. This is a hard lesson that I learned during quarantine. Buy your developer at the beauty supply store, because buying it off of Amazon, you could get some really not great quality developer. It could be fake, so there's always that, and counterfeit. So yeah, as I'm wetting up my scalp for the sectioning, okay, here's my plan. So for a while now, I've been wanting to dye my hair the rainbow like Evie or Eve, that girl from like Instagram. If I insert a picture, I insert a picture. And so I was like, oh my gosh, hopefully there's someone on like YouTube who has dyed their natural hair the rainbow. But there isn't, and I'm like, damn, I want to do it. So it's taking a lot out of me to do this, because I should just be healing, because I just got my wisdom teeth removed. But I got my wisdom teeth removed. It's a whole thing. I didn't get all of them removed. That's why it's a big thing. But yeah. And so because I got like 2 of my wisdom teeth removed and like some other tooth for some unknown reason, I'm in recovery. So I look swollen-ish, I guess. But that's neither here nor there. So as you can see, as I'm trying to like put it there, but I might just insert a picture if I edit. Basically, here's the rainbow, right? And it's a wheel. So I'm going to split my head, or split my hair into 4 sections. And each section is going to be like a rainbow. So like down the middle is going to be red and pink. And then each section is just going to have the rainbows, or the colors of the rainbow. So we're going to do that now. If you hear noise in the background, that's my family. But yeah, I'm not sure if you got a real nice look at it. So like, because I can't see it. But yeah, I did the back. So now we're gonna do the front, and I'm gonna show you how I'm doing this. Okay, So from the side, we're doing the opposite. So as it was orange over here and purple over here, purple is going to be the leading color over here. I don't want to look like a zebra. I just want rainbow hair. Okay, so this purple that I made, because I had like a whole bunch of like vegan dyes and I mixed them. So like I used Lime Crime Valentine and I mixed that with Manic Panic's yellow. I forgot the color name. Then I used what was it? Sparks lime green or whatever. And then I used Lime Crime's Anime Blue. And then I used Anime Blue and I mixed it with Virgin Pink. Oh yeah, I also use Virgin Pink. But like, I tend to add blue to it so it has a cooler tone. So, right now, I'm going to section it from my eyebrow down, up and over. And if you could hear the noise, it sounded like tearing cotton. So, right? This right here is going to be the section. I have yellow roots, but that's okay. So, I separated all the dyes using these cups. And so, I'm getting a slab of the purple mixture, and I'm putting it on my hair. Okay. And this is basically what I did for all the rest of the sections in the back. And what I did in the back, I'm doing in the front. But y'all didn't see what I did in the back, so that's what I'm showing y'all. So, we slather. Try to get the roots, like, it was like way too hard to try to get the roots, like, in the back, because you really can't see. But, as much as possible, try to get the roots. So, this is the purple section, and I'll be back trying to do the front. While I'm dyeing my hair, I'm watching As Told by Kenya and her video talking about Kanye West. But neither here nor there. So I'm towards the end, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna split my blonde hair down the middle, and I can't really do that because there's a whole bunch of light, so I have to look into the mirror that's in front of me. There. And so basically, part. This is the cool part for me anyways. This one's gonna be pink, this one's gonna be red. So I get the pink mixture. That's really pretty. I hope it comes out pretty because putting it on is like, wow. It looks hella purple, but I like it. So we lift up our blonde strands, and bam, 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 we coat them. We coat them in our mixture. I'm gonna grab some more, try to get some on the edges, and so we don't have random like blonde roots. Okay. Now, we're gonna go for the red. Because really, I just wanted like a mirroring effect with the hair. So, bam. I'll just grab some more from the jar. Because the jar right in front of me. So. Because like, I like my rainbows to have pink instead of red. So like, I was like, I got red dye, but I do want pink there in my rainbow. So, that's what I'm doing. And that is it. I'll come back when I finish this side. I'm gonna record myself doing the last bit of it. Because I'm like, I barely showed it. So, I know y'all are probably lost. Okay. So, I'm gonna part my hair this way. I'm not a professional. I'm only 19. And I'm only doing this because impulsive bipolarness. I'm not even sure if I could blame it on the bipolar anymore. I feel like I'm just naturally impulsive. It could be the bipolar. But, yes. So, taking my green mixture. I like cool tone dyes, to be honest. The dye, the Sparks dye, is not naturally this dark. So what I did was I added some of my very cheap conditioner that I got at Sam's with a bundle, right? And I added some of the some of the anime blue with lime crime with it, so it could be darker. Cause I want slime color, and so yeah. I hope this come out cool. I hope I don't end up in one of those Brad Mondo horrible fucking compilations that he react to. Cause I'ma cry. Like, that is terrifying. But I'm gonna go rinse my hands. That's why every time when I cut off the camera, I run off to rinse the gloves. Cause I don't want the colors to fully bleed. Some of them have, but it's usually towards the ends. But I don't care about that. But look. So, I'm gonna go rinse my hands. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back with like freshly wet gloves. So now I'm gonna part the blue. Ugh. So babes, people on the internet, children, adults who are older than my 19-year-old self, this is it. I put the dot in. So let's just hope it look cool. Mind you, I'm gonna do like protein treatments. I'm gonna rinse this out. First of all, hold up. I'm gonna let this sit on my head for 30 minutes. Then after letting it sit for 30 minutes, I'm going to rinse it. After I rinse it, I'm gonna do a protein treatment. However long that protein treatment is, I don't know. And then after I do that protein treatment, the Afro-G protein treatment, and mind you, I've been using it for like 3 years now, and I've been using it on my hair even before I even dyed my hair. I would use it on my hair when I was just natural. So I'm gonna use the Afro G protein treatment. Then after I'm done with the protein treatment, I'm gonna condition my hair. Is my hair gonna be this vibrant? Probably not. But my hair's the rainbow, so it don't really matter. Besides, I really wanted it to be pastel-y anyways. And so, yeah, I'll see y'all when I'm officially done. Because, baby, look. Who got rainbow hair? Me. And who won rainbow hair? You. And who's gonna rock the rainbow hair? Us. Because we're melanated black queens. We rock color. And that's on what? That's on period, love. That's on period, love. So, I'll see you back. So, I'm under the heating cap. And after that, it's gonna be my final rinse. So, I'm gonna be under the heating cap for like an hour. I'm doing a deep condition because I like my curls. So this is the final product. This is my hair. This is the rainbow effect. When I do it like this, you see all the colors. I mean, yellow is kind of muted, but meh. I mean, I'm pretty proud of it. Besides, I did it myself, so it's like, because I did it myself, that's the biggest reward. So, yeah, I'm proud. I'm kind of happy. Is it very vibrant? No. But it's the rainbow, nonetheless. So, I did it. Now I'm going to get my hair braided again, but like in a stylish type thing. So, bye guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative, and I hope it was helpful. So, I hope your rainbow hair journey has been aided. Have fun.